The blind spot monitoring feature alerts you when another vehicle enters your blind spot. This feature provides a visual warning via your side view mirror or in the windscreen frame. In more advanced versions of the blind spot monitoring system, an audible alert will also sound if you indicate to change lanes and there is an object in your blind spot. Advanced technologies can help you avoid or reduce the impacts of a crash. But always remember to check your blind spots when you are changing lanes, leaving or returning to the curb, merging, reversing, turning, or leaving the inside lane of a multi-lane roundabout. Learn more